I'm Kenzie with Off Leash Can Corpus Christi, and this is Fenrir.
German Shepherd here for our 2-week board and train. This is the morning after his first full night, so he's a lot more comfortable with me right now. We've gotten to the point where we're friends, but he's still a little nervous about everything else going on. He's got the neighbors doing yard work, there's some things blowing in the wind that he's kind of paying attention to. His tail's down, he's kind of pacing, he's a little on edge, he's licking his lips, his ears are back, all that fun stuff. He's just a little bit nervous about all of the different things going on, and he's on 2 anxiety medications and still feeling like this, so he's got a lot to work through to feel a lot better and get that communication started so that you can tell him that he's gonna be okay, that he's a good boy, and he's perfectly safe. So let's see what he knows. Pen, come. Good job, good boy. Sit. Good, sit down. Oh, good job. Good job. Yep. Yep. All right, that's definitely the one we're working on the most, but we'll get back to you in 2 weeks.